a type of sweet potato souffle. It's not too complicated. Microwave and the oven do most of the work. There's a little bit of mixing involved. And I want to show you a couple of simple steps. Hi everybody, so this recipe, and I'll put this little part in. You need to preheat your oven 350 degrees or it really won't work. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Thanks. I've got two medium-sized sweet potatoes here that I've already cooked in the microwave. You ever done that? My microwave has a button. You push the button, and it does the potatoes. You got to punch some holes in it. And I leave my skin on. I like that rustic feel for this. You can take the skin off if you like. I just find it cumbersome. Some of the tools: spatula, good old tablespoon, a masher, and a regular spoon, mixing spoon to work with. For the ingredient, and of course, a mixing bowl and a 2.5 quart baking dish. All right. You're going to need a little bit of olive oil spray. For your ingredients, you're going to need some nutmeg. I have a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I've put them together right here. I have got some salt. We're just going to add a pinch of that. I've got 1/4 cup of lightly packed brown sugar. I've got 1 tablespoon of butter, softened, and I've got 4 ounces of sour cream. That's right, sour cream. So this pretty simple dish. I'll move this into display here on my board. And we just put the potatoes right in. All right. And then I do an early mash with the potatoes. Quick little mash there. And then I add the brown sugar, the butter, excuse me, and the spices. Notice I'm holding off on the sour cream. I added a pinch of salt, pretty good pinch right here. Take your masher, go back at it. Like I was playing a song there, wasn't it? Got to that point, got it nice and mashed up. Okay? We're going to then add our sour cream, and I fold that did in. The folding, so that's why I have the spatula here, and I fold this over. And as you're doing this, this will soften. I'm going to take a little break here, put the camera so you can see this process, and then show you how we put in the bowl and pop in the oven. That's it. Quick prep, quick to make. As you can see, it's just a simple folding process. That sour cream works in with the sweet potatoes. See it start to blend together. You're going to keep wanting to work this until the white is integrated and the sweet potato turns almost like a light orange. See how that works? At this time, you're going to bring over your baking dish, lightly coated so it comes out, a little olive oil spray. Push that right in. And this is where this spoon comes in a little handy. As you can see, spatula tends to want to. I take this little spoon right here, just kind of make a layer. Little life hack there. The back of these spoons work almost better than a spatula, and you can really smooth it out. Saw my grandmother doing this when I was like 8 or 9 years old, and it blew my mind. Imagine being 8 or 9 years old and you see your grandmother take the back of a spoon for something other than whooping your hind parts because you got your hand in the cookies or cake too soon. No, I love my grandmother. She just passed away a couple of years ago. Stayed sharp as a tack all the way until she was 89. Used to go up there and talk to her. Spend hours up there talking, a lot of fun. Look at that. We've got it laid out right here. Beautiful, right? We're going to put this in the oven for about, I like to kind of get a light top to it. Now, a secret here, if you want to, and I don't like to, you can sprinkle brown sugar and butter mixed together on top of this and make a crust. I don't like the crust. I like to have more of a sweet potato feel. So I do not do that step. If you do, I would go about 10 minutes in the oven. In this case, I'm on about 7. Just let it all kind of work together, and we'll pull out and let you see in just a minute. Okay, everybody, the timer has gone off. Let's see our finished product here. There we go. Baked sweet potato souffle. You can serve this with any side dish that you like, with any meal, I should say. Comes out very, very tasty, good for the holidays. Very simple recipe. Hope everybody enjoyed. Thanks, and please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Heck Yeah You Can Cook. Check us out on Facebook, and please check our other videos out too.